Vse je torej pripravljeno za začetek obračuna. Tu je Raul Floruč. Če upoštevamo vsa tekmovanja, najboljši strelec Olimpije v tej sezoni. 2 gola je recimo dosegel v pokalu proti Domžalam. V prvenstvu je zaenkrat pri 3 golih. Dofo do žoge. Bultam. Pedro Lukas. Raul Floruč. Po desni strani ga že spremlja Blanco Sanchez in gol! Olimpija vodi z 1-0, 8. minuta srečanja. Hitro so zmaji odprli obrambo Lendavčanov. Blanco Sanchez do prvenca v prvi ligi, je pa to njegov drugi gol v zeleno-beli majici. Natančen je bil seveda tudi v Heidenheimu. Odlično so zmaji izkoristili nekoliko slabšo postavitev gostiteljev in Alejandro Blanco Sanchez je torej žogo spravil za hrbet Žana Mauricija. Božičkovič, ali bo Božičkovič prišel do žoge, ni mu uspelo. Prednost pušča Alen Bubek, znova so nogometaši Olimpije v nevarnem naletu. Blanco na desno, tu je Raul Floruč in prečka. Pedro Lukas. Raul Floruč, znova se poda v kazenski prostor. Raul Floruč lahko strelja, odločil se za podal na levo stran. Na drugi strani pa zdaj Nafta v napadu, Kalno Kikiš. Lesjak mu bo skušal pomagati po desni, Kalno Kikiš z nekaj sreče naprej. Kalno Kikiš! Sijajen poizkus! Bultam. Reda Bultam. Suale do strela! Predvsem nogometaši Olimpije, vse tako se zdi, stremijo k temu, da bi nadzirali potek tekme, da bi predvsem odrezali nasprotnika od igre. Tole zdaj nevarna akcija Nafte, toda samo udarec iz kota bo. Ostra poda, pred vrata priložnost in brani Vidovšek! Salaj. Marinič ima veliko prostora na levi, Lasicka se pred njim. Marinič z desnico, dober poizkus. Marko Brest v kazenski prostor, priložnost za Olimpijo.
Jožef Božik, you lost today, but I think you showed a lot of good elements, particularly in second half. Your thoughts and what was maybe missing to a point today?
Only scoring, that's what I missed, because we had very good opportunities to do the counter-attacks. Also, when we had the ball possession, we can do the build-up, but we didn't score.
A lot of people were very surprised when referee showed only 2 minutes extra time. Your comment on that?
It's his decision, no comment.
Your scoring drought continues. You didn't manage to score on last 4 matches. What do you need to do about it?
Yes, it happened once before. Now we are focusing on Primoria. This will be a totally different game. You know, sometimes you need some little details to start to work, and then the strikers will score. Now this is what we are missing. We have young strikers. They have to learn how to keep up the performance on a balanced level. This is what we are looking for now. But at all, I'm satisfied with the team. I can tell you we had only two bad games in the whole season. One against Primoria at home and one against Radomia in the last round. But all the other games we are showing a good performance. We are improving, we are developing in every aspect of the game. So what is important now is the next week, because we have to collect the 3 points to stay in the race.
Mr. Victor Sanchez, congratulations for the victory. Maybe you weren't so dominant in the second half, but at the end it was enough. You regained first place, and I think you are satisfied with the performance.
Yes, thank you. Yes, it was a tough game, like always. We know, especially now, our opponents, they try to defend very tough, also with 5 in the back, like they did against today. Like Copper, we were expecting this. We analyzed also Nafta. They used this defense also against Cheye, also against Donzale here, where they were losing 0-2, and they overcome this game. So we were prepared to face this 5-4-1, very, very tough with little spaces. I think we did very good first half. We scored, we create very good chances. We didn't score the second and the third that was the result most deserved in the first half, and then you come into the second to try to continue in the same line. The opponent have more hopes and become more difficult the second half, but this is football. So we were able also to try to control these situations. We conceded a couple of the dangerous chances. Also we were there with our chances in the second half, but more even game in the second half.
Blanco Sanchez scored his first league goal in this season. That means that now you have 9 different scorers. Stat you can be proud on.
This is very important, yes, because goals are everything. So, and we are struggling. Today is another game that we create much more chances to score more goals. So 12 shoots, I think, 6 on target, and only score 1 goal. So we need more accuracy. It's very good that we don't depend on 1 or 2 players to score, so we produce chances that forwards, midfielders are able to score. This is good also for our possibilities.
We didn't have time before the match, so I would like to ask you now. 4 of your Slovenian players were part of amazing historic success during international break. They managed to secure a spot in European Championship. How happy are you for them? I believe you watch a game against Austria.
Of course, very happy, very proud of them, and I'm very happy that Olimpija Ljubljana is there in under 21 national team of Slovenia, contributing with 4 players in the list and in the performances. So very happy for the boys, of course, for our players. Is very good lessons to improve their level. So also I hope that they continue performing in this high level.
Now you can start thinking about first home match in Conference League. Is there any message you want to send to all the fans, like a warm invitation?
Okay, we always, I think that with the season we are doing, being there, leading the table, with the behavior of the players in the pitch, and we have shown also our image in Europe during all the previous and also in the first game in this league round. We are now there in Heidenheim. We play a good game, we show a competitive face. This is what we say to our fans, and we wait. They come to join us, to support us, because they help a lot in the games.
You won. I think you are in a good mood, so I hope you won't be mad if I ask you again something outside of football. Your wish came true. You met Primož Roglič. Can you tell us what were you talking in Nova Gorica, and did he maybe impress you with some football knowledge?
No, we were talking a little, the most about cyclists. You know that I'm very big fan of cyclists, and I asked him like a joke for the next year calendar, and of course it's time now to rest, and they have to wait for the tracks in all the big races. I'm sure he will target again the La Vuelta, because he has won 4 times, and to become the first to have 5 is a big challenge also for him, I think.
Žan, Mauricio, danes sicer niste uspeli priti do pozitivnega rezultata, ampak prikazali ste se v zelo dobri luči. Kaj je morda še zmanjkalo za točko danes?
Ja, jaz mislim, da smo prvi polčas slabo začeli, hitro smo prejeli zadetek, to nas je malo ubil. V drugi polčas smo pa šli zelo dobro, ne vem, mogoče kakšna, ne vem kako da rečem, da bi zadel kakšen gol, bi se, jaz mislim, da hitreje vrnili. No. Da še en gol, je druga tekma, tudi una priložnost v prvem polčasu, ampak ja, kaj ćemo, nimamo okej, gremo z glavami v naslednjo tekmo proti Primorju. In, ja.
Igrali ste proti bivšemu klubu, je bila tekma tudi z tega vidika za vas pomembna dodatno?
Ja, mislim, tako bom rekel, vsaka tekma je za mene enaka. Res je, da je to moja prejšnja ekipa, mogoče emocije, mogoče malo više kot pri ostalih tekmah, ampak nisem se osredotočil veliko na to in gledal sem to tekmo kot vsako drugo. No.
Marcel Ratnik, morda danes v drugem polčasu niste posebej blesteli, ampak na koncu je bilo to dovolj za zelo pomembno zmago, za 3 točke. Vaši vtisi?
Ja, ena težka tekma. Nekako vedno po reprezentančni pauzi je tisti mali krč, malo moraš prijeti v ritem. po dolgi pauzi in ja, to se je tudi videlo na igrišču. Mislim, da bi mogli že zadeti kak več gol v prvem polčasu in bi seveda tudi nam bilo lažje na igrišču.
Na 6 gostujočih tekmah v tej sezoni ste prejeli samo en gol, verjetno vam to kot branilcu zelo veliko pomeni.
Ja, seveda, ampak tudi zasluge grejo Vidošku na golo. Tudi danes je imel eno iz kornera, ko nas je rešil. Ampak mislim, da smo vsi pomembni za nulo, cela ekipa. Obramba se začne pri napadalcu in konča komi pri golmanu, tako da vsak igralec je pomemben.
Sicer pa res izvrsten teden za vas, uvrstili ste se tudi z mlado reprezentanco na Evropsko prvenstvo. Kako veselo je bilo?
Ja, bilo je zelo veselo, sicer pol, ko smo prišli v garderobo, smo bili vsi malo v krču, ker nismo točno še vedeli. Govorili se je, da še ni točno 100%, da smo se uvrstili. Pol smo čakali ta torek in na koncu čakali smo druge tekme v bistvu, kot da Avstrijo in Francijo, in na koncu nas je Avstrija, lahko temu rečem, rešila in zmagala Francijo in na koncu smo bili prvi.
Zdaj lahko misli preusmerite na četrtek na tekmo z Laskom. Kaj lahko obljubite navijačem?
Našo dobro igro v Evropi. Mislim, da smo v Evropi vedno dobro odigrali tekmo, tako da vabim vse navijače, da nas pridejo podpreti na Stožice.